Okay, I am super excited. So, as you know, I'm a big kind of car nut, and I always go get these cars and then flip them and do things with them, wind up keeping them. Anyways, I bought a naturally aspirated 300ZX Z32. It was 1990. Really liked that car. Love the body. And this one that I got for a good price, but it was an automatic transmission and naturally aspirated. The dream for me was twin turbo, 5-speed. And I just drove it home, and oh my God. Take a look at this. Okay. Twin turbo. Ha! Boing, boing, boing. God, this thing is so great. And the guy I bought it from was fantastic. Couldn't be nicer. I'm really excited about this. So anyways, my new toy. So here we are. Just got back. I'm gonna turn the vehicle off. And if you look here, let's see if it'll show that. 48. That's the turbo timer, I think. So if I turn this off, notice I pull the keys out, and she's still going. Turn the lights off, and we've got the countdown. Out of the car. Counting down, counting down. Pretty wild.